So the first thing we want to do is I have Postman opened up here, so we will go import that Marketo export collection. That will create this new folder right here. We have a couple of requests in here, but the first thing that we need to do is put our Munchkin ID, client ID, and secret in. We can type those in right here, current value, client ID, secret ID. I have those saved up in an environment variable up here, so I don't need to punch those in. We have a couple more fields here, parameters that we can change. So we have activity types. These are the activity IDs, type IDs, and we can add in other activity IDs, and we'll look at where to get those IDs later. This is just comma separated inside of these square brackets. We can also do number of days. I want to pull the last 7 days, so I'll change this from 1 to a 7. And then remember to do Control S for save. Next, we need to go over to authorization, and we can hover over this and see that it's loading in the environment variables that we have in there. And then we will go press get new access token. This should go right, and then we can press use token. The token has been added. Now I'll show you where to get those activity type IDs. So we can press send over here, and then press visualize. And here's a list of all of the activity types. So we did 1 and 11, so we are doing visit web page, and 11 is click email. Yeah, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there's also custom activities you can add as well. But we will just do web pages and emails. So first thing is we can go list exports, and once again press visualize. This will show all of the previous exports that we've done along with their export IDs, but we want to create a new export. So we will do this create, and then press send. This create the export starting with D70, and we can see that over here. We created this new row right here. Next, we need to enqueue the export. This will kick off the process, so we'll press send. And we can also have over here to make sure that we're exporting our Z07. It says that it's queued, and we can also go back over to list exports and refresh. Right now it says processing. If at any time we want to cancel the export, we can run this cancel export command, but we will just keep refreshing this until it says completed. Sometimes it takes a little while, but this is a very small export, so it completed fairly quickly for me. Next, we'll go to download export, and this will show us a preview of the CSV that we're outputting, and we can go save this response to a file. Save. And that is it.